And welcome back to the 2 minute mark. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. There's really only three different ways you can actually make money. The first way is you can exchange your time for dollars, aka working a job. The second way is you can make a company or a business, and that business can generate money for you. And then the third way is you can use your money to make more money for you, aka buying assets. Third option is what we talk about on the 2 minute market. Usually what I do is talk about the stock market, and it's different ways you can invest. If you think that people are going to continue to do home improvements, you can invest in Home Depot. If you think people are addicted to coffee and they need it to go to work, you can invest in Starbucks. And if you like to party with the baby oil, you can always invest in Johnson & Johnson. But usually for new investors, what I always tell them is invest in the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the United States. And if you look at this chart above of the S&P 500 over multiple years, you should notice two main things. The first, S&P 500 constantly grinds up over the years. And the second thing is right now we're at all-time highs basically. Now looking at the actual market today, if you look above, you'll see the S&P 500 is down slightly, while the Dow and the Russell are down a lot. And again, the Russell is the 2,000 companies after the 500 companies. And then the NASDAQ is the tech stocks, and they were a little bit up. So the whole market was down today. Now what kept the NASDAQ up was NVIDIA and AMD, and which are the AI chips. So that pushed the market up a little bit. Another things you can invest in is cryptocurrency. Now today, Bitcoin and Ethereum was a little bit down, but it's the same thing. Pull it out a little bit over the last couple of years, you see it constantly goes up. So again, today was a good day to step back to see exactly where we are. So if you want to invest, again, you can always invest in the S&P 500 and do dollar cost averaging. Means every single paycheck you put a little bit amount in. But one lesson I do want you to learn is when the market is at all-time highs like where it's at right now, it's scary time to put a lump sum money in. That's why it's better just a dollar cost average. But I will see you tomorrow. This is the 2 minute market. Peace.